What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our night ride of Twisted Typhoon at Wild Adventures. This is probably the best coaster at the park, and it always adds an additional layer of thrill when you ride a coaster at night. Most theme parks are near big cities, so you can kind of see it lit up and it's really cool looking, but Wild Adventures is kind of far out there and it's very dark, adding so much thrill to the ride. I really do appreciate you guys always watching, and if you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.